What's up, you guys? We are back at Mercedes-Benz Etobicoke. We are currently driving the Audi, and we're gonna come and pick up the C63 AMG. So let's grab our tools, let's jump in the car, and let's see if we are good. Well, we already know that we're not good, but let's jump in the car, let's scan it, and let's try to get it back to our good old hands. So, all right, we're gonna first scan the car. Let's do that. All right, so the car starts. We got an engine light on. Let's quickly scan it and let's see if we can actually drive the car. That's the goal. Let's get to it. All right, diagnostics mode. Let's see what we find. That's probably the most important thing before we actually put it into drive. Once we can scan it, see what we find, we'll put it into drive, and hopefully the car drives. Let's find out. All right, so obviously we have our pressure regulating valve with the torque converter lockup clutch has an electrical fault or open circuit. That's our problem with the transmission. So let's clear all the codes. This is just because the car has been sitting for a little while, and that's obviously because of that. So let's clear all the codes, and hopefully we can drive the car. Hopefully, at least make it back to where we need to go, and that is not here, because yeah, let's just say we weren't able to get this resolved here. All right, we got no fault codes. Let's start the car one more time. Yeah, buddy. No engine light, no nothing. Okay, so let's drive the car. I'll give you guys an update. We're gonna avoid the highway. We're gonna avoid the big roads. We're just gonna go on small roads and try to limp this car back to back home. Let's just say back toward kind of closer to home base. If we get any codes, we'll shut off the car, we'll clear the codes, and we'll keep driving. I'll update you guys. We're gonna make it. This car is gonna be fixed. We are gonna fix it ourselves, DIY. Like, bro, this is the only way to do stuff. If you want it done right, fix it yourself. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, quick update. We have made it so far. We're about halfway. We have had the codes come back up, but we keep clearing them. It looks like it is just an electrical problem, but honestly, it's a little bit weird. The car kind of goes sometimes, but not all the time. But I think we'll make it. Let's see. I really hope we can make it, at least so that we don't have to drive the car, and then we can try fixing it. So yeah, it's just, it drives, but it's very, it's not 100% happy. It's moving, but not the best. Trust me, you have to be in the car to kind of feel it and understand. Oh boy, let's see if we can make it. Let's go, let's go. Okay, you guys, we are super close to making it. But see, as you guys can hear, the car is not very happy. It's yeah, it's that pressure regulating valve with the torque converter lockup clutch. See, it's like trying. It doesn't wanna go. Like this valve, it doesn't work. Like, watch, I'm gonna come to a complete stop, which is like the worst thing to do right now at a stop sign, and the car's like not gonna want to go. Like, the best time for this car right now is to be literally moving, is to be driving. When you stop, it doesn't want to go. Oh yeah, you see that? No, it doesn't want to accelerate. Very unhappy, but we're almost there. We almost made it. There's not a lot of traffic. We took the side streets, kind of like these little things. Oh, it barely wants to make it. We're so close. We literally have just 5 minutes left to drive. Oh, it just died. Literally, it just died. Look at it. It's in first gear, but at 0 RPM. Oh, that's not fun. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, yeah, the pressure regulating valve, the torque lock, has an electrical fault with open circuit. Quick erase. We're gonna clear the codes, and it's gonna be fine. And then we restart the car, and it will drive. But literally, you saw that it just died. Oh, it's not very happy. It's not very happy. Anyways, we'll stay in park. We'll do another fault scan. But that's literally it. Just clear all the codes and the car drives. It's just an electrical problem. This is crazy. Oh boy, yeah, that's just the thing flashing, whatever. Man, I really hope we make it. Oh my gosh, we're so close. We only have like 4 or 5 minutes left to drive, and standing at a red light is like the worst thing that this car can experience right now. It needs to be moving because this torque converter clutch, it like kind of like is either open or closed. Anyway, it's 4 seconds. Let's put this car into drive. Okay, we got second gear. Hopefully we can roll forward and pass this light. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me a green light. Okay, we're rolling forward. Yes. See? The car drives. It goes. This is crazy. Okay. I'll update you guys once we make it. Okay, guys, good news. We made it. It's, yeah. Anyways, we'll figure this out tomorrow. We'll do a couple scans, a little bit more diagnostics. We'll do a software update, and then maybe we might have to start ordering some parts for the C63, but it's made it. Yeah, it's alive. It's running, but there is some sort of electrical fault in the transmission. Not fun. It sounds great. Like, wow. Absolutely amazing. But looks like we're gonna be doing transmission repairs. Yay! My favorite. Anyways, see you guys in the morning. Okay, you guys, it's the next day. Unfortunately, we couldn't get anything done in the morning, but well, because the sun literally sets at like 5 p.m. now because, well, daylight savings time, and because we live in Canada, but it's all good. All right, the car drives, but we are gonna go to our good friend Marco, the MB programmer. He will literally tell us exactly what his company is and what he does. We're gonna update the VGS software, and let's see if that fixes the problem. We will find out shortly. So we got a quick little drive. It's about 35 minutes up north, so let's go. Hopefully we make it. If anything, we got our scanner just to clear all the codes. Let's go. I hope we make it. Okay, guys, we made it. The C63 still alive, and we are doing a software update. Boom, right there. Hopefully this fixes the problem. We're gonna find out. We got a lot of stuff hooked up to the car right now, and we're at 49%. Hopefully this works. Hopefully. We're praying right now. We're praying. Let's go. Guys, unfortunately, nope. The software update did not help. The car is still, see, it doesn't want to drive properly, and we still have the same code. So unfortunately, it does look like we need a valve body and conductor plate assembly. So the C63 AMG will be down probably for about 2 weeks. It's pretty sad, but there's nothing we can do about it. It still drives, but I don't want to risk the car completely failing or something getting damaged beyond just this one sensor inside of this valve body. It sucks, nothing we can do, but we're gonna bring the car back, we're gonna park it and order the part. We're gonna have to eat it, we'll order the rest of the parts, and then we'll get this fixed. Hopefully this is the problem, and you guys will get to experience this with me. All right, let's drop off the car, let's go. Okay guys, so yeah, it is, here's the problem. It's this control solenoid valve. This is the code that we're getting, so P2761, the pressure regulating valve of the torque converter lockup clutch has an electrical fault or an open circuit. So then if you actually go into all data, yeah, basically this valve is the one that controls on the VGS, which is the conductor plate, and controls the valves that sit inside the valve body. So basically there's a big like kind of read up, so you can kind of read all of this, blah 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 blah. This is the function, this is how it works. It has a basic position, blah blah blah. If it's no longer in the basic position, then it stores it in the VGS and it calculates it, da 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 da. So if it's not possible, you'll be in limp home mode, which is what I am in, blah blah blah. So if you look at the actual valve itself, so this solenoid controls the valve, which kind of goes like that. So it controls one of the solenoids inside there. So if you look at how this plate sits, there's like these plates, but then it kind of sits like that. See how it's like this little L shape? So if we look down here, boom, you see this little L shape? So that solenoid that kind of sits like that on top over there, that one, boom. So this little L shape, like that, is that little L shape. So that solenoid sits right there. And this is the thing that we're having a problem with. Torque converter lockup clutch regulating valve, number 27. So we're having a problem with this valve, and it sits inside the valve body, but because you cannot buy this part by itself, you gotta get the whole entire thing, which is this thing. So yeah, that's the end of this video. We're gonna buy this whole assembly. We're gonna wait 2 weeks for it to arrive, and then we'll get to the next video, which is gonna be us installing this gigantic part. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'll see you guys in the next video about the C63. Thank you all for watching. Peace.